God's Workshop, Watchman 33, Chicano style. Welcome to God's Workshop, that's it where the hammer falls. Not to break his children, but to answer heaven's call. Like Moses in the palace, learning every trade. The Lord was building purpose long before it was displayed. Sometimes you're in Egypt before you're sent to lead, learning through the pressure while the Father plants the seed. Every tear, every trial, every lonely night becomes another lesson in the Master's holy light. I remember broken seasons with nowhere left to run, sleeping on a mattress, praying to the Holy One. No money in my pocket, no future I could see, but the carpenter of heaven was still working patiently. The world said I was finished, washed up, left behind, but the potter kept on shaping what the world could never find. God's Workshop, sparks flying in the night. Every scar he touches starts reflecting holy light. Watchman 33, standing on the wall. When the Master building you, you never truly fall. Orale, my people, trust the Father's hand. Yeah, he's preparing living stones for his eternal plan. Yeah, the Bible says Moses grew in wisdom and in might, learning all of Egypt while still walking toward the light. God wasn't surprised by where a servant stood. He can use the palace just like desert wood. Every classroom matters when the teacher's Christ. Every lesson offered has an eternal price. Sometimes God says wait, sometimes God says go. Sometimes he says trust me though you do not know. Faith ain't built on feelings, faith ain't built on sight. Faith is holding tightly when you cannot see the light. The workshop gets noisy, the furnace gets hot, but the great refiner knows exactly what you got. He removes the pride, he removes the fear. To the voice of Jesus is the only voice you hear. No weapon formed against me will prosper in the end. The Lord who started building will finish what he planned. The nails may hurt, the chisels may sting, but every strike is making heaven's anthem ring. No shortcut to holiness, no shortcut to grace. The Master takes his time with every chosen vase. He knows every weakness, he knows every flaw. Yeah, yet still he writes our names within his perfect law. Yeah, Watsonville streets, fields full of dust. Some trust in riches, some trust in lust, but I trust Jesus, the cornerstone, the builder making broken hearts his home. Waterboy 33, still passing living water, pointing every sinner to the Father's only Son. Not religious system, not traditions made by men, but Christ who calls the weary to be born again. Like Moses leaving Egypt when God's time it came. Every true believer lives to glorify his name. The workshop never closes, the tools are still at work, even when the world can't understand your work. Some are learning patience, some are learning grace, some are learning mercy, do the hardest race. Others learn forgiveness after years of pain, finding Christ is worth far more than earthly gain. God's Workshop, hear the anvil sing, every trial bringing glory to the coming King. Watchman 33, standing bold and free. The carpenter of heaven is still working patiently. Don't despise small beginnings, don't run from God's command. The same God who formed Adam still shapes us with his hand. Before David faced Goliath, he watched the Father's sheep. Before Joseph ruled a nation, he learned in prison deep. Before Moses split the waters, he walked through Pharaoh's hall. Before Christ wore heaven's glory, he answered Calvary's call. So don't quit, my brother, don't give up, my friend. The workshop of the Lord has purpose to the end. Every burden carried, every battle won, points us to the victory of God's beloved Son. When the trumpet sounds and heaven opens wide, the work of every faithful saint will stand to testify. Not because we're perfect, not because we're strong, but because the Master's hands have shaped us all along. So let the hammer fall, let the furnace glow, let the Spirit teach you everything you need to know. The potter never wastes a broken piece of clay, he's making saints for glory one faithful day at a time. Welcome to God's Workshop, where faith is forged, where hope is strengthened, where Jesus Christ is the Master builder. Watchman 33, Waterboy 33, still on the wall, still lifting up the name above every name, Jesus Christ.